Threat.
Come in.
You can do them again. Find the steel.
That's surprising.
There we go. There's our threat. Up and out. Guns up. Moving forward.
Moving.
Find it. There we go. There we go. Up and out. On target. Moving forward. There you go. There we go. Cool. Maybe not. Next two. So you're up, close guy, take him, build him. There we go. Down around the check it, and your partner's slowly going down. There we go. Clear? Good. That'll work. So we're up, out. There he is. Now he's a threat. That's one way to do it. That's the Russian way. Grab him by the hair and shoot him.
Clear.
There you go. Ready? Go. I can live with that. This is like there we go. Come to me. Holster up. What's that movie with? It's clear. All right, ready? Good.